Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I did not do the unboxing of the title if you've seen the TripoWin TC01, but I was wondering what can a single dynamic driver do against so many BAs which I have heard they are incredible. So I had started losing hope on dynamic drivers and I was thinking that okay, the BAs combined with the dynamic drivers can be the best combination for any IEMs. So when I heard about the TripoWin TC01s and having a single dynamic driver in each year, no BA drivers and no multiple dynamic drivers, just a single one, that's our absolutely traditional driver technology, and these are very cheap. So I thought, why not try these? And people say these are good. How good? How can you compare these with the multiple drivers, multiple BA drivers combined with dynamic drivers to give you that incredible sound which I have been showing you with the KZs? So I went for these. So I got the silver version. So I'll just show you what's in the box. If I can open the box. So in the box you get the IEMs, and inside this you get a case and the wire, and of course the silicone tips. So now I'll show you. So with these TC01s you get this kind of a case with the lanyard. Fantastic. I don't have to think where to keep the IEMs after I use them, and inside this I have placed them. They are very heavy. They are purely made of metal and they are fingerprint magnets, so if that's okay with you guys, but they are solid built, absolutely solid. I have dropped these twice. I'm not proud of that, but I've dropped these twice and they fell from their table because of their own weight. They just pulled themselves off the table and fell down. So just one of them went down from the table and pulled the other one with it. These connectors are so strong, I am afraid of pulling them off again. I don't want to break them. They are so strong. Now TripoWin is known for making cables, these kind of cables for IEMs, and they suddenly made this IEM themselves with a single dynamic, of course. So the cable is absolutely fine. You don't need to replace the cable. They are making cables and the joint is fantastic. You can hit someone with this and it's heavy, pure metal. Now the sound. What about the sound quality of these? What can a single dynamic driver do in front of our KZs having multiple BA drivers and a dynamic driver? So 4 BA drivers and a single dynamic in 1 year versus just one dynamic driver in 1 year. And honestly, if you're listening to low volumes, both sound almost the same, with this having a little bit joyful sound. What means joyful? You will enjoy the sound, the music more with these than these. It brings a smile on your face when you hear these. It can't be explained. It just can't be explained. But if you didn't have these, if you didn't have a single KZ with you, you just had these, just bought these because these are very cheap. You can go for these. These are very, very cheap, and you don't want to fall in the BA trap. So this is traditional drivers. These are incredible. Let me tell you, if you buy headphones of a branded company with dynamic drivers, these can compete with any of them up to 5,000-6,000 rupees or maybe even more. Over the year headphones also these can compare with for up to 10,000 rupees. They are that good. The tuning on this is world class, amazing. I mean, soundstage, I was comparing this soundstage with this soundstage is the widest in amongst all the KZs. This is the ZS10 Pro. If you're not seen the review of these, then the link will be in the description. But these are having the widest soundstage of any KZs, even better than the ASTs. These are having very good soundstage, not average. These are having not above average, even better. I don't want to say the best. The soundstage is pretty good, pretty good for a single driver. I mean, I was shocked. Bass is good because it's dynamic. Treble is fantastic, it doesn't hurt your ears, and vocals are very good. I'm using other IEMs and other earphones which are having single dynamic drivers, like the Bose. This Bose I'm using for some time now. I mean, they're being used a lot, these Bose single dynamic again. These are what, 7,000 8,000 rupees. I got these on sale, but this is the price, and you're getting these. I think you can get 2 of these for the price of this, and these sound incredible. These don't even come close to these. I'm talking about just these particular earphones. I'm not talking about the whole Bose. And I used to think that this is having good sound. No, they can go away. These are incredible. So I know all of you have the budget to buy these, but then you're torn between this, to buy the Chi-Fis or the Chinese, or buy the branded stuff. But remember one thing, even the branded stuff is made in China. These TC01s sound 3 times better than the price you pay for them. That's the best review I can give you for these. So the vocals are good, soundstage is good, bass is good, treble is good, depth is good, detailing is there. For a dynamic driver, detailing is fantastic. No complaints about this. Even the cable is very nice. And one more thing you can do with this is you can lie down in your bed with these. If you're listening to something at night, you want to lie on your side on the pillow, this is not going to ram into your ear. This is not going to hurt your ears like the KZs. These are sharp, these are big, these are bulky. These are tiny, so small, they just fit in your ear. They are so smooth, they don't fall out of your ear, and you can just lie down in the bed with these. So this has been the review of the TC01s. Sorry about not doing the unboxing, but I didn't feel that I need to unbox them at the time of unboxing, but then I realized I should have done it. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.